Hello, this is Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. You probably have seen the TV, you've heard the ads on the radio about lawyers out there saying, call me for a second opinion, and when you get on the phone with them, they're out there encouraging you perhaps to get rid of your lawyer. Again, I do not practice law that way. I do not think it's proper, and I don't know that you are really going to get the best result when you do that. If you've got a lawyer running around out there who's so desperate to tell you to fire a person that presumably you've hired for a reason, and again, there's some times when, it's just not working out with you and your lawyer, that's fine. You have every right as the injured worker to keep a lawyer or not keep a lawyer. But it goes a little bit beyond my comfort level to have some other lawyers running around out there talking about firing your lawyer and coming to them and they'll get you more money. The reality of it is, I have been doing this for 30 years, and I will give you the best possible information on your case, allowing you to ask as many questions you want to ask about how the value of your case comes into play. And in the end, it is your case, and we will talk with you about values of cases and where we get to in your case. We work extremely hard to get your case in a proper position to get the leverage that you want to get in a case to get it settled for the best amount of money, if settlement is the proper thing to do. If settlement is not the proper thing to do, I'm going to tell you that as well. There are plenty of lawyers out there who will simply tell you to go settle your case and won't think twice about how that's going to affect you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months from now in terms of the fact that you still have issues or injuries or problems. Now, you may say, well, I want to get my case settled because I can handle that down the road, and we're more than glad to do that for you. Again, everybody's situation is different, and we're happy to speak with you about your situation. But just be wary of somebody who may decide to tell you to fire one lawyer and hire another lawyer because they can get you more money. Usually that's not the case. It's usually the case that that lawyer is just desperate to get cases. And you do not want to be in a situation where you're not getting the best advice and that you are not the biggest priority to your lawyer. You can reach me directly at 770-351-0801, and I'll be more than glad to speak with you. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this Survival Kit important reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.